Good morning, everyone. I'm a little sleepy. I got this brilliant idea in the middle of the night and couldn't stop thinking about it, so here we are. Sleepy and ready to do a warm-up. So, let us breathe. I'm going to make lots of weird vocal word disassociations today. Breathing in. Good. Yeah, reach up, breathe into this hand. Good, and twist. Good, and twist the other way. Cool. Okay, so we'll start with some lip trills as we always do. You can do this, or roll your tongue, or zzz if you can't do those ones. Ready? So, yeah, make it kind of twangy. And be really aware of your support from down here. You need that support to sing. Steady stream of air. Good. Good. And one more. Good. So if you have a straw handy, I want you to put your hand over the end of your straw. If you don't, just do this on NG or Z. And we're just going to do some straw wars. Good. And keep the airflow steady and make it easy, yeah? For me, I'm starting to flip into falsetto already, or head voice on the top. And there's a big old crack, but that's fine, between the two voices. Just make it easy. Good. Let's do some oh. So ladies, you're on the same pitch as me. Even though I'm high in my voice, you're low in your voice. And you're just going to go and then you hold your breath for a second. Feel your chest opening and your support kicking in down low, just gently. Oh. That's getting high. And one more. Good. Ooh. So that's a down an octave, but you guys will be here, ladies, but low in your voice. Good. And I want you to just grab your cheeks while you do it. ear support. Ah, good. Lift your ears, spread your nose, have this kind of look on your face. Ah, good. Ah, ah, nice. Another one. Make it easy. Good. Ooh, I'm tired, so I don't want to go any higher. Good. Let's do some. And don't make a big difference between the and the ah. So on the when you get down to the bottom note. Ready? Try to make it feel very much the same. Nice and easy in your throat. And I just want you to breathe and feel your larynx be at neutral. Nice and relaxed. Ready? That's a note further than I usually go. Good. What time is it? Let's do me oh 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 my me oh 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 my. Let's try it there. Yum 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 yum, and can you do some yum yums for me? Yum 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 yum, and feel the sound right in the front. And now me oh 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 my me oh 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 my me oh 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 my me oh 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 my me oh 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 my me oh 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 my. Another one. Me oh 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 my me oh 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 my. And one more. Me oh 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 my me oh 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 my. Good. And let's do some. Maybe my mommy ready. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. And I want you to feel like you're really chewing all of these vowels. Maybe my mommy may move, yum 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 yum, right in your lips, right in the front. Ready? Let's try there. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Thanks, everybody.